Once you've used DataDefender to make sure all of your resources are configured in an appropriate and secure manner, you want to make sure that you're monitoring in real time for threats that include ransomware attacks, data exfiltration, log tampering, privilege escalation, and more. Head over to the Threat Report tab to get started here. In the attacks portion, you'll be able to see all of the active threats that the DataDefender console is monitoring against. Let's pick an easy one here. On this main page, you'll be able to see the name of the threat. By hovering over, you'll see a quick description. You'll also see if it's a signature-based threat, the warning threshold, the alarm threshold, the category, and the actual count in warning and count in alarm. Let's pick an easy example to go through this. A malicious IP connection is when a IP that is associated with malicious activity from a curated, constantly updated database makes an action or takes an action against your cloud storage environment. Under these threats here, you'll see all of these different instances of malicious IP addresses taking actions against our storage resources. But if we want to learn more, we'll be able to dig into the threats here. You'll see all the details you need, including what IP address it was, the actual action it took, the resource ID that was affected, the account, when it was detected, so on and so forth. If you'd like to see these organized, you can go over to the metadata here. So the list objects action was taken from a source IP address of this highlighted here. And this was flagged as malicious by our malicious IP address database. If you'd like to dismiss the threat, for example, this might be expected, right? Or you have remediated it, or whatever that might be. You can go over to the dismiss button here. We can say this was remediated, nothing was happened, and then this will disappear. What's important is that across all of these threats, anomalous behavior and insights that DataDefender is looking across, that you get notified when the important things are happening. So for example, on certain buckets, if the information is particularly sensitive, you'll be able to set up notifications that go to, for example, a high priority alert channel. So for this bulk download signature here, if this is enabled for your buckets, we can send this to Slack, we can send it to Teams, email, or whatever that might be. And the purpose here is to monitor your entire account in real time and make sure that you're getting ahead of threats, and if configured, that you remediate them before they turn into an incident.